The POCO X8 Pro Max is to be a rebranded Redmi Turbo 5 Max for the global market. POCO's official website for Belgium mistakenly uploaded pricing information for the yet unannounced POCO X8 Pro and POCO X8 Pro Max. POCO X8 Pro go for €399.90 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The model with 512GB of space will be priced at €449.90. 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage and will be priced at €479.90. Moving over to the X8 Pro Max, this one starts at €529.90 with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and it goes up to €579.90. The back panel continues to feature a vertical dual camera setup, similar to the previous generation. The POCO X8 Pro Max will be powered by a humongous 8,500 mAh battery pack. This is one of the biggest battery capacities on any POCO phone. Get 100W wired fast charging support along with 27W wired reverse charging. It will be powered by the new Dimensity 9500's chipset, achieving an impressive score of 3.29 million. With 16GB of RAM and Android 16, the device sports a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a bright panel that can reach up to 3,500 nits for excellent outdoor visibility. This affordable flagship packs a 50MP Light Fusion 600 main shooter. It is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.